two ways to get power to your effects pedal by StompLab. First is to use regular AC power, and the way you would do that is you would connect it here. Okay, once you're connected, the power button is here, so you just hold it, and then see that it's gonna load up, and then there you go. Now you're ready to go. Both of these lights are ready to go, and you can just go through the different categories, and then you can just add value, gain, level, and value too. Okay, but another way to get power to your pedal is turn it off. Let's take out the wall power. You can use batteries, so you can use 4 AA batteries, and the way you do that, you're just going to remove these rubber feet, which is nice because you don't need a screwdriver. You can just undo them. Here, you're going to lift up, and underneath is a battery compartment. So you won't need, if you need to be on stage live and you don't have enough outlets, you can just put your batteries in here. Okay, so let's get these batteries in here, AA batteries, and then we're gonna put the plate back on, and I'll show you what that looks like once you have batteries in here. Okay, so there you go. That's how you put the batteries in there, and we're gonna screw the feet back on. Okay, okay. All right, now you got batteries in there, so you can see. Now let's power it on. Oh, same thing. Goes, and bam, there you go. And then now you're ready to go. Now all you need to do is just plug in your guitar. Okay, and then that's it. And you can do all the same things, all the same stuff you can do. You can do the categories, gain and value. And there you go.